Bonjour à tous. Hello friends. Um, in the lessons of learning vocabulary in French, we continue with the series. In the last two lessons, we have learned the vocabulary, how to speak of a body. Now, today we will go and try to put all the things that we learned in some sentences so that we would be able to know how to use this vocabulary. So this is a practical exercise. Now, I suppose it is clear. Now, Rakesh est un beau garçon. Rakesh est un beau garçon. Now, you all know when we say garçon, garçon means boy. Étant is, right? This A is un beau garçon. Beau garçon. Now, when you are saying beau garçon, we are describing a boy or a man, right? If it is a girl, then we will use fille, right? And instead of beau, we will use belle, right? So we would take belle in the next section when we would describe the girl. Now here he's a boy, Rakesh est un beau garçon. Now focus on this word, beau. Now this beau is an adjective. Now adjective, as you know, they describe the noun. In English we know noun. So what I want to say, Rakesh is a handsome boy. Handsome, because in English we say handsome. Now this word, look at this word, bronze. Now what is bronze? Now you can say this beau, the opposite of beau is belle. If it is not clear, I would spell B-E-L-L-E. B-A-L-L-E. Belle. Rakesh est un beau garçon. Now this beau, the adjective that describes handsome or beautiful. Now bronze. Now what is bronze color? Bronze is the color of tan. So you can say that he is tanned. He is tanned. तो उसका जो कलर है वो टैन कलर है, राइट? इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि एक होता ब्राइट कलर. सो इट इज़ नॉट ब्राइट बट टैन, ब्रॉन्ज. नाउ il mesure 6 feet. Now they measure height in meter, but in the Indian context I am using feet, right? So it is for a time being you can take it in the Indian context, right? Otherwise the height they measure is always in meter. So il mesure 6 feet means he is 6 feet tall. So we are describing a boy named Rakesh. Il mesure. अब सपोज आपकी हाइट अगर 5 है तो आप बोलोगे je mesure 5.5 feet. I am 5'5" tall. This is how I converted the meter in the Indian context, right? Il a les joues bleues. Les joues. So yesterday in the vocabulary we did how to speak our eyes in French. Then you. Now there are 2 eyes, so we would say les joues. Les joues. You can note down, please. Il a les joues bleues. Now, il a. What is this a? This a is our. Now he has blue eyes. Les yeux bleus. Bleu. Now look at this word bleu. Now when I say bleu, I add one s. Why I add one s? Because the eyes, they are plural. So you would say il a les yeux bleus. Il a les yeux bleus. And if say you are saying ki black eyes, il a les yeux noirs, right? Et les chevaux. Yesterday we did chevaux, the hair. Chevaux noir. Now noir, as you know, black hair. So again I am reading. Rakesh est un beau garçon bronzé. Il mesure 6 feet. Il a les yeux bleus et les cheveux noirs. Il est musclé. Muscular. Now, musclé. Il est musclé. The spelling is same, but see how wonderful the pronunciation is. Musclé. So I add this accent aigu here. Il est musclé. Car il est très sportif. Now say sportif. I am pronouncing this F. Now, do you know what is the meaning of this word car? There are two words, car and parce que. दोनों का मतलब होता है because. So, il est musclé car il est très sportif. I suppose you understand. He is muscular because he is very sportive. Sportive. जो एथलेटिक टाइप की बॉडी होती है. Now, if you talk of a girl, then instead of thief, you would say sportive. I-V-E. So you can say elle est très sportive, or for you can say je suis très sportif. If you are not, then you would say je ne suis pas très sportif. So in that way you can frame the sentences. You can use all this vocabulary. See, if you find that this particular word is not suitable on your personality, so you can use it to the one where this word is suitable. So you will find the one. So son père. Now you know père is father. Son père. Whose father? Rakesh. Son père a les cheveux gris. A les cheveux. Hair. A has. Now here gris. Now gris is grey. This word is gris. Now why I am using gris? The feminine is gris, but because the hair they are masculine, so I use the word gris. Et les yeux bleus, and the blue eyes, like the one Rakesh has. Now, what we understood, we describe the personality of Rakesh in terms of his eyes, in terms of his hair, in terms of his height, in terms of his general body structure. Now, let us come to his mother, Sa mère Vaijanti. That's a name of mother, Vaijanti. Sa mère Vaijanti a les yeux bleus. Les cheveux bruns. Now, cheveux noirs, cheveux gris, cheveux bruns. It means brown hair. So his mother Vaijanti has brown hair. Now, cheveux brun clair. See, now what is this word clair? Clair is bright. Now, the bright brown hair, clear. ALR, les yeux gris vert. ALR, she has les yeux, eyes, gris vert. Now, you know the color? Gris is gray and vert is green. So, it is grayish green. Again, elle mesure 5 poids, 5 feet. So once again, I remind that I translated in feet, our Indian context of telling the height. So she is 5 foot 5 inch tall. LA Mons. LA Mons. Now what is Mons? Thin. Gross. Gross. Mota. Mons, thin. LA Mons, A très élégant. Élégant. The same meaning, elegant. LA la quarantine. Quarantine. Now, it is not quarantine that in the lockdown we are familiar with. This is quarantine. Quarantine. She is in her 40s. LA la quarantine. Now, if somebody is cinquantine, that we would take that in the section when we will do the numbers. Now, there is another girl, Cheveux et brune. Cheveux et brune. Now, when I say Cheveux et brune, so like the one who has the brown, golden hair, you say blonde, but the one who has brown hair is brune. In literature, you must be using this word brunette. Now, Cheveux et brune, LA très jolie. LA très jolie. You know what is jolie? Jolie is pretty. LA très jolie. Now there is another boy. Rohit a les cheveux noirs. Bouclés. 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 Now Rohit, another boy, a les cheveux noirs. Bouclés. Cheveux noirs. This hair, black hair. A bouclé. Bouclé का मतलब होता है curly. Curly hair. So bouclé. LA lae tre coca. Coca. LA lae tre coca. Now it's a wonderful word. Lyre. Lyre means it's what do you call the ambience, and very pretty and very sweet kind of ambience his personality has. So you've seen that the entire description of Rakesh, his father, his mother, that we restricted on the general height, mota hai ya patla hai, the hair, and now how would you remember all these things? You can look around yourself, even in the lockdown. You can still be able to see a couple of people. Try to describe their personality in terms of the words that I taught you today, right? Don't describe in terms of the words that you don't know, right? We would take this description to the further level gradually. Thank you.